My name is Andrew Carlson. I'm the coordinator at Iowa Central Community College Auto Collision Program. We offer a 2-year program, covers auto collision from start to finish. There's lots of different fields in our industry, from you can be an estimator, you can be a body tech, you can be a painter, and so forth. So anything, you can be a frame guy.
They teach you pretty much everything you need to know. And
here we cover plastics repair, welding, painting, computerized paint mixing. We use waterborne paints from PPG. We also have their solvent-borne line too. So we teach it multiple different kind of paints, just not one or two. We have all new equipment as far as aluminum repair, spot welders, and all the new up-to-date paint equipment too.
It's serious when it needs to be, but other than that, I mean, we're pretty much joking around the whole time, and
I've learned a lot.
yeah, definitely knowledge. A lot of things have been learned
In the past 2 years.
I feel like they've taught me about everything I need to know to go into the auto body in the real world. And I've already looked at a couple of shops, and about everything they've asked me I've already learned, and there's about hardly anything else I really need to learn from here.
I'd just say it's a fun learning experience. I mean, you know, it's different than sitting in a classroom all day, so.
Probably just say educational.
Challenging. It's not very easy for most people, but it's nice and it's hard work, but it's fun. Got to try really hard.
The program really helps teaching you those more technical skills that you wouldn't know otherwise.
For me, I'd just say technique. I mean, getting stuff done quick and being able to do things the right way and quickly can be a challenge.
Very friendly. We're able to ask any questions we want. Everybody's able to get along and talk to each other. It's very friendly. Probably the amount of skill you learn from all the different classes you take. You don't just sit on one subject, they jump around, and you get a knowledge of pretty much everything. So that's a really good thing to take from it.
Yep, we're basically almost 100% hands-on. We do a little bit of classroom every morning. Just go through our textbook and PowerPoint and stuff like that, and otherwise we're in the shop working basically 75% of the day. So that's one nice thing about this program. You're not just stuck in classroom reading books.
Well, the first couple hours or 1 or 2 hours you spend in the classroom, and then the rest of it's all hands-on.
Yeah, I really like the fact that you get out there and you're actually working on cars and doing stuff. I like the feeling of being like having learned something at the end of the day, being able to use different tools and stuff.
We'll get to the point where we actually give you a work order, and then you'll start a job start to finish by the time you're in the second year, same as you would be at a body shop, just a tech.